Hello, let's solve this interesting question on indices, which reads 16 to the power of 0.16 multiplied by 16 to the power of 0.04 times 2 to the power of 0.2. If you look at this, the smallest base we have here is 2, right? And we have the biggest base here, which is 16. So what you do in such a case is you make all the bases equal. Now let's reduce this 16. Let's make the base, let's make them all equal. So let's take them to base 2. 16 can be written as what? 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 in 4 places. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So this is 2 to the power of 4. Then to the power of what? 0.16. We're going to come back to this decimal value here. Multiplied by 16 also, which is 2 to the power of 4. To the power of 0.04 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0.2. So now let's simplify. Now this power, this becomes 2 to the power of 4. 0.16 is a decimal. Let's convert it to fraction. This is 16 over what? Over 100. Why is it over 100? Because there are two numbers after the decimal. So we're going to have two zeros at the denominator, right? Multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. 0.04 is going to be what? 4 over what? 100 times 2 to the power of 0.2 can be written as what? 2 over 10. So from this, here we have 2. Now let's multiply the powers. Here we have 4 times 16 here gives us 64 over the denominator, which is 100, multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 times 4, which is 16 over 100, multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 over 10, right? So now, as you can see, all the bases are equal, and all we have to do to the powers at this point, we can, okay, there's a rule under indices, law of multiplication, which states that if you have, let's say, a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c multiplied by a to the power of d, since all the bases are equal, all you have to do is to pick one of the base and sum up the powers. So this becomes b plus c plus d. So we're going to apply this same rule here. This becomes 2 because all the bases are equal. We pick one of them, which is the 2, and then we add all the values of the power, which is 64 over 100 plus 16 over 100 plus 2 over 10. So looking at the power here, the LCM of 100, 110 is what? 100, right? So this becomes 2 to the power of the LCM here, which is 100. 100 divided by 100 is 1. 1 times 64 is 64, plus 100 divided by 100 is 1, times 16 is 16, plus 100 divided by 10 is 10, and 10 times 2 gives us what? 20. So at this point, this becomes 2 to the power of 64 plus 16 plus 20 gives us 100, and we have the denominator, which is also 100. So this is equal 2 to the power of 100 divided by 100 is 1, and 2 to the power of 1 gives us 2. So this is the final answer. So easy. See you in my next one.